Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to create your Pinterest account. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to Play Store and search for this app called Pinterest. Once you search the app, you simply install the app. Once installation is complete, you simply open the app. Welcome to Pinterest. So you can either create an account either with Facebook or Google account. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. Once I get there, I'll simply choose the email address in which I want to use to create my Pinterest. So I'm going to choose my agenda mail, after which I need to choose my country. From there I click on next. Here I need to choose my Pinterest topics. So computer, I'm a fan of anime, so football and fun. So I'll choose that. So once I'm done with choosing my topics, I'll click on next. So here it's a popular Pinterest, so you can follow them, or you click on next. So this is your Pinterest account already created.